Unraveling the mystery of will and would in conditional sentences. Hello learners! Welcome back to another lesson in our series on English grammar. Today, we are going to explore a fascinating topic: the use of will and would in conditional sentences. Are you ready to unravel the mystery? Let's get started. First things first. What are will and would? They are known as modal verbs. These are helper verbs that express necessity, possibility, intention, or ability. Today, we're focusing on how will and would work in conditional sentences. When we talk about future situations that are certain or we believe will happen, we use will. This is common in the first conditional, where the condition is a realistic one. For instance, if it rains, I will stay at home. Here, the speaker is quite certain that if it rains, they will stay at home. Would is used to talk about hypothetical situations or things that we imagine. It's often used in the second and third conditionals. For example, if I had $1 million, I would travel the world. Second conditional. Here, the speaker imagines a situation where they have $1 million, which isn't true at the moment. If I had known you were coming, I would have baked a cake. Third conditional. In this example, the speaker imagines a situation in the past where they knew about the visit, which did not happen. Understanding the difference between will and would can be tricky, but here's a helpful tip. Remember that will is about certainty and would is about imagination. And that's a wrap on our lesson about will and would in conditional sentences. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep practicing these structures until you are comfortable with them. Stay tuned for more English language learning content, and as always, happy learning!